Hello, these are the COVID-19 statistics for Richmond upon Thames. Over the last 7 days, the rate of infection for the borough stands at 295 cases per 100,000 head of population, and this equates to 585 new cases of the virus detected in the borough over the last 7 days, bringing the total number of cases identified since March 2020 to 8,781. Unfortunately, since the last update, a further 11 deaths have been directly attributed to COVID-19, and that brings the total number of deaths identified since February 2020 to 202. Over the last 7 days, 7,540 people have been tested with a positive return rate on those tests of 8.8%. The discrepancy between the number of people tested, the number of cases identified, and the positive return rate is explained by people receiving more than one test. The rate of infection in the borough is falling. We can see this from the figures, and that shows that lockdown is working. But we can't drop our guard. We must remain vigilant at all times. And this means changing our pattern of behaviour on a day-to-day basis. We've seen over the last few days that there have been an increased number of people using our children's play area, for example. So if you can avoid using the children's play areas in our parks, then that would be appreciated, because it will free up space for those people who don't have gardens or don't have play equipment at home that they can use. And if you're out and about shopping, please make sure that when you're standing in the now familiar queues outside, that you're considering wearing a face mask. It's not the law, but you might want to think about it. And of course, make sure at any rate that you're standing at least 2 meters away from the people in front of you. And for the rest of us, we just need to make sure we're following all the rules that we're familiar with. Wearing a face mask when we're out and about on public transport, in shops, supermarkets, and similarly enclosed public spaces. Washing our hands wherever possible, and maintaining a social distance of at least 2 meters. So please look after yourselves and look after others. Thank you.